Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Noe. Today I'm going to show you how I make pancakes. This recipe is so straightforward and easy. If you follow it to the letter, I assure you that you're going to have delicious pancakes. Let's get right into the video. I'll have the full list of ingredients in my description box. Most of these ingredients you already have in your kitchen, but in a big bowl, I'm adding flour, baking powder, 5 tablespoons of sugar. You can choose to add less depending on how sweet your tooth is, a pinch of salt. I'll mix it well together and set aside. In another bowl, I'm going to break 2 large eggs and add 2.5 cups of milk. I'm making a large batch, so I need a lot of milk. I'm also going to use melted butter and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. The vanilla essence is totally optional. If you do not have it, you can just go ahead, but if you have it, why not just use it? So I'm going to mix it well, and then the next thing I'm going to do is to pour my wet ingredients into my dry ingredients and mix it thoroughly until I have a smooth batter. When my batter is ready, I'm going to heat up my pan, add some butter. You may also use vegetable oil, and then I'll pour in my pancake batter. I'll allow it to spread on its own. There is no need to shake it, and then leave it for about 2 minutes. Once you see the bubbles on top, it's ready to flip. Flip it and leave it for another 30 seconds, and your pancake is ready. Just like that, so easy. I'll repeat the same process again. Pour butter, and then leave for 2 minutes and flip. Just like that. Leave for another 30 seconds and take out of the pan. I'll pretty much do the same thing until I finish my pancake batter. This recipe can feed about 3 to 4 people depending on how many they're eating, but in total I got about 14 pancakes. And I'm just going to confess to you that I and my husband ate everything. It was that good. Okay, so you can enjoy your pancake with maple syrup, honey, fruits, chocolate spread, whatever toppings, and it's going to make a delicious breakfast. You just need hot chocolate and you're good to go. Guys, I know you enjoyed this recipe. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. Try out this recipe. Tell me how it turned out. I know it's going to turn out great, but I would like to hear from you. Please drop your comments. I would love to read from you. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.